Good morning, everyone. So here I am in Park Lane, a small place close to Liverpool. We are staying in this beautiful hotel called The Ship. And I came here to celebrate a best friend's birthday. So every 10 years we come together in a different venue. And this time he decided to celebrate in his basically hometown. That's where he basically comes from. I've never been here. It's such a beautiful place. And we arrived yesterday. I flew from Amsterdam to Manchester, and then I met some other friends coming from Paris. They rented a car, and then I got a lift to Park Lane, which is about 45 minutes from Manchester. And this is where we're staying at the Ship Hotel. Very nice hotel. I just had a fabulous breakfast. And now we are going for a little tour. I think we're going to the Botanic Garden. And I'm bringing you with me, with us. So let's see how the day goes.
Nice home.
So we just arrived at the Ness Garden. And we are going to visit. Here's a little party. Say hello, party. Say hello, Trish. Sai, this is Trish.
Hello.
Hi.
Who are we saying hello to? Your family?
To whoever's watching.
Oh, right.
That's Spacer.
Hello,
We're
everybody.
always together traveling.
Marvellous.
And then we have Peter and Juan. But that's not all. We have more people, but we are kind of separated today because we're doing different things. But let's see what this garden has to show us. So I just got my ticket and here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Or to tax people to save tax dividend
Oh.
in there.
Right.
It's helpful to your
This is so pretty. Look at that. I wish I could just sit there and just like spend the rest of the day here.
Yeah, but it's
Gorgeous.
Beautiful weather, beautiful day.
It's been terrible.
There you are.
Yeah, look how beautiful.
Oh my God. Guys, look how
Gorgeous.
beautiful this is. Hi.
Hi.
Wow.
Really amazing, no?
Look at this view. I could spend the whole day here.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
And I think it's kind of the perfect time of the year also because lots of things are in blossom.
Yes, beautiful. This is so beautiful. Wow. It's so peaceful here. You know, I love that they have all these little benches where you can just like sit and yeah. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's so quiet here. Look at this tree. This is amazing. This is incredible. It's like, it's amazing. It's so quiet. There's, right now, they just actually opened. I think they opened around 10, but there's basically nobody here. And you hear the birds chirping and it's so peaceful. I could stay here the whole day. Amazing. I love it. Yes!
Oh, here you are.
There you are.
We lost you.
Oh my God, I know. I was actually going all the other way. It is
Behind
so
there's the beautiful
beautiful.
magnolias there.
I
Go on
know.
the other side.
Beautiful,
Yes, it's so gorgeous. Yes, it's really gorgeous. I was filming everything there.
Yeah.
I love
very
that.
good idea.
Yes. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute.
I suppose it's educational, isn't it?
Could be. Oh. Are you enjoying yourself?
Oh, I am. How could I not? It's such a beautiful.
That's about
Well-
lemonade colour.
Yeah, the birds, the flowers.
Yes.
What else do you need?
Fabulous.
Beautiful, isn't it? I don't think they have any smell. Actually, my smell isn't as good as it was.
Oh. Okay, we're coming to an area that I believe these are solar panels. Let's check. Yes, they are solar panels. Look at that. Okay. I feel like I'm in a farm. Beautiful. Ooh. This place is huge. My gosh. I don't know if I should go down there because I don't know what's in there. I think I lost my my friends. Anyway, I'll find them before we have to go back. but I am just loving this. I feel like I'm lost in the field. Oh, you know, when you live in a big city like Amsterdam, I mean, Amsterdam is not that big, but it still behaves like a big city, noisy, crowded. And when you come to a place like this where you don't see anybody, it is so relaxing. It's so amazing. I just love it. And look, you have like benches everywhere, which means you could just sit here and enjoy. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I am so happy to be here. Look at this. It goes on and on and on. Like it's endless. It's endless. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Look, I don't think I can keep going because otherwise I'm really gonna be lost. There's nobody here. Look at that. I'm on my own. Okay, my friends just texted me saying they are at the water garden and it's beautiful. So I need to try to find it because now I'm curious. Okay, I hope I'm in the right direction. I asked someone back there and apparently it should be here somewhere. Okay, guys, this is really huge. You really can get lost here, but it's like lost in a good way because this is so beautiful. Oh wow, it's so peaceful. Look at that. Wow, this is really beautiful. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Rock garden, water gardens, picnic lawn. It's that way. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try that. This is really confusing because there's no. I am coming from there, but I'm a little confused. So let's see. Okay, I can't find it. Look, I came here, but no, I asked those people there. They have no idea where that is. I'm completely lost. So I'm gonna keep looking, but this is really huge. Okay, my friend just shared with me his location, and I'm about 3 minutes from the location. So if I don't find it now with this map, then I don't know what. So let's see if it works. But apparently it's working. See you soon. Okay, you see, according to the map, these signs here are not correct.
In 90 meters, the destination is on your left.
I can't believe I was here, and instead of turning left, I turned right. Oh my gosh. Okay, somebody's gotta fix that sign because I'm always there. I'm so tired. Yes! Oh gosh, I found them! Okay, so this is where I was supposed to be. Oh my gosh. But so I found my friend, but they were not at the water gardens anymore. So they just gave me instructions on how to get there. I'm gonna try because we're supposed to leave in half an hour because we have another tour to make. I hope I can make it, otherwise, I don't know. So let's see. Okay, if I don't see the water gardens, at least I'm going through a different path, which is actually very beautiful as well. So look at this. This looks like a little fantasy land. Wow, beautiful. Okay, I think there was a disconnect of information because apparently the water garden is what I just saw minutes ago, because I saw another sign pointing to that direction. So I don't think there's any other water garden here. So let me just check. But I think I'm actually back at the beginning of the park. So I think that was the water garden. Anyway, it was beautiful. I am really tired, and I think this is the end of my botanical garden visit. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I did. It was beautiful, but I'm really tired. Okay, see you back soon. Bye.